Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to calculate workdays using network days in Excel. So network days is a function and this is the syntax. So network days start date, end date, and holidays. Holidays is just optional. And this is the step-by-step guide. But I'm just going to go into Excel. And here I can show you how to use the network days function. So let's say I have these start dates and I have these end dates. And I want to calculate the work days between these dates. So the first step is to write equals and then network days. And you can use the tab key to complete the function name. So the first argument is start date, as we can see here, and comma. Second argument is end date, and we're just going to leave out holidays for now, and then press enter. So close the parentheses and press enter. And I'm going to just drag this all the way to the last row. So that's how you can use network days without including the holidays option. Here, I'm going to show you how to include holidays. So same syntax. So start date, end date, and then actually here, I'm not going to include holidays because let's just assume that there's no holidays between these dates. So I'm going to just drag again the formula all the way to line number 6. And in line number 7, I'm going to include holidays. So start date, end date. Let's say the holiday is this. So 25th of December. Enter. So we see that not including holidays, the work days between these dates is 6, but when we included holidays, it's just 5. And I can just actually just drag the formula down here, copy it. And then from here, I can just click the cell or the cells where the holidays are located. So in this case, I'm going to highlight 31st of December and 1st of January. And then we see that there's 2 days missing. We only see 4 from 6 because we included holidays. So yeah, that's how you can calculate work days, excluding weekends. So by default, just exclude weekends. And if you want to include holidays, you can use the holiday option in the formula. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.